Hey, dear students, it's teacher Jamili here, or Miss Dabu, and today we will cook two delicious recipes. The first one is a whipped coffee. I've heard it's trendy now on TikTok. And the second one is a milk powder brigadeiro. Let's get started. The recipe is very simple. You only need a bowl and a hand mixer. And all you need is boiling water, sugar, instant coffee, and a tablespoon to measure these three ingredients.